What are we doing? What are we doing? The light is green. All right, gang, what's up? Today we're going on a photo shoot. Welcome to the first POV style. Meeting up with a homie, Primo, is what we call him, ST3 Primo. Put his Instagram on the video here. Yeah, so we're heading over to the Daegu Stadium. We're gonna go get some POV footage logs. I'm gonna go ahead and whip out the camera. I will be using a Canon R50 with a 35mm lens. I do have another lens here in the car with me. I don't know if I use it. I don't really use this that much, but we're gonna try to see. Maybe it's a little bit bright outside. It's a f3.5, 4.5. I can't remember. But yeah, I can't really use it in it's gotta be like a sunny day for that camera. But we're gonna go ahead and try it. We're gonna see. There is another photographer coming with us. That's the reason for the photo shoot. I'm not the primary photo taker, but we're gonna see. Meanwhile, while we get there, enjoy some POV footage of me driving. It's crazy out here, yeah. Get that induction noise. These coops are fucking everywhere out here. Look at this dude trying to turn in on this man. Where you going? Where you going? Yeah, you can wait. You can fucking wait. For all you swimmers. I got it. Welcome to Korea. All right, so this is where the photo shoot will be. I'm just sitting here waiting on the two guys to show up, the main photographer and Primo. So stay tuned. We're gonna get there. Hell yeah, SpongeBob money.
Hello? How are you? Armando. My wife, Jocelyn.
Jonathan.
You know
Huh?
him already?
No, I never met.
First time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just picture.
Oh. Me photo also. I do photography. Me photo also. Me.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
His car.
Yeah.
Your friend not coming?
This place is too far from his house, so just me.
Me. No professor.
Canon good.
Yeah.
Canon.
700D.
Canon.
Oh.
R50.
Oh.
last year.
You took a picture?
Where you gonna stay? Ah.
Gotta test it, you know what I mean? Gotta, yeah. Smile.
Before black color.
No, I don't know how to smile.
Very good.
Take a picture of the car first.
GoPro. YouTube. You don't want to be in it?
Oh, you recording right
Yeah, yeah.
You do vlogging or a vlog?
POV.
Follow me
photo
on IG,
style.
ST Primo.
We do not care.
What's today's vlog?
I probably won't put mine on there. Just POV photo shit.
So please whatever. Please I want to
Stuff. Yeah.
You put that to your voice?
I got it recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah, recording audio. I've been wanting to do this for the longest, but like I don't know, I bring it out.
Why the fuck you lying?
And then I forget I have it.
Let's test the...
We can. I got another
You don't
microphone.
have the camera that is like moves around, the small one?
What did he say?
I want that one.
I don't like it that much. I like it putting on a car, but like GoPros are better for this.
So actually we can teach Jocelyn.
This is where I taught Jen how to drive.
No, but
This is where I taught Jen. Except it was up there.
yeah, but Jocelyn, I don't know, manual.
Like I said, they're manual. Bongo maybe, that might be manual, but these people are learning how to drive, they're learning. There was a blue Mini Cooper earlier.
I mean, she can go.
That's what I did with Jen. I just tossed her the keys and I fucking hung out. Told her, have fun.
I like the color. Why am I looking at the Instagram?
I know.
When was? Oh, here, this one.
Damn.
This one.
I think that might be Carter's color.
Or
Pink, bro.
this one over here.
This one right here.
No, that's too pink.
I'm good. Straight-ish.
How much you want for that camera?
Which one?
That one?
This whole camera?
Ain't you selling that one?
Not anymore.
Because now she wants a camera.
Not anymore.
Get up.
Oh, it's Osmo. I have one of those too.
Oh yeah, I see now.
I have one of those too.
I looked it up. I'm like, who the fuck is this guy?
Those are for video.
Yeah, I want that one.
I mean,
Do they line up
So I can
to wait?
video. You can.
for you, I would just get the Osmo 2. It's pretty decently cheap.
That's what I want.
I have.
Take videos.
Imdo has mine right now. Me and Imdo share the same.
Do you
camera.
want,
he uses it, I use it.
Let me ask you. It's probably not this dirty as hell. Engine bay? I took the cover off.
No, those are decent. You just get the 2. You don't need the 3. You don't need the 3. Start with the 2. It's cheaper. Figure it out. See if you like it, and then buy the 3 if you like it. The 3 comes with way too much cinematic stuff. You get confused really quick.
You know why it's taking so long to get my
Yeah, get up on the corner, because this goes around. You took it, obviously. You came this way. So we could set you up on the top and stand on the other side. Yeah, I come this way, and then I'll, yeah. Nyan?
But two years.
Ah. Maybe 5 years, but 1.5 years takeoff. Yeah. I stopped, sold. I was like, I don't want to no more. Stop, sell everything. And now back in. I want to buy Canon R6. Yeah, I like video more. Yeah. So I used R50 as photo, but R6 camera or video.
Oh.
But you could probably delete the pole itself, but then you'll have, like I said, the big thing.
you can do it on the phone, but you can do it on a computer?
Do what? I doubt it. Well, that way, yeah, but I'm saying the way he was taking. The way he was taking will be hard.
You need me to move it here?
I see.
No.
Listen.
You need me to move hard? Content for a whole week.
Honestly, we come out, we take 100 photos, probably 30 of them are gonna be good. To be honest. With Mark, I went over and I think I took 30 photos.
Yeah.
Only like 9 of them where I was like, yeah, these are good.
I don't know. I think all the pictures I take fire until I start. Which one? Oh, second one?
Get that slanted photo because that damn sign's in the way. That's hard. Blur that plate out later. I gotta turn my camera off. Can't see shit. Focus on the ST. Come back a little bit. Get the bottom of the car. It's not so good. I can't. It's too dark. I only have f 5.0. My other lens, maybe. Huh? Oh.
Is there Korean barbecue? No.
Oh.
No.
Why are we recording? I don't like that.
You eating with us or are you leaving?
Nah, I'm gonna go home.
For the kill?
I'm broke.